Dear husband of mine, you are my true love, my one and only, my everything. But dude, your breath stinks. You think I give you your favorite mints just so you can keep them at work? No, they're for me, Romeo. You wonder why I don't want to have sex more? I usually tell you that I'm tired, and most of the time that's true, but sometimes I just don't feel like dealing with the fact that I can't breathe when you get within 12 inches of me. In the middle of the night, if you roll toward me, I instinctively roll the other way because I can't stand having you breathe in my face. It's that bad. But I love you, I do. So how to break it to you that your mouth area repulses me? Sincerely, dear wife of yours.